Welcome back to the channel, but if you're new, we're doing a series on Mondays called Money Mondays. This is episode 4 of our series where we talk about remote jobs, we talk about all things jobs. This is the time where you should get your coffee, tea, or whatever you like to drink in the morning. So this video is all about quick ways to make money so you don't panic if you've lost your job. So they're not necessarily remote jobs that are going to be reoccurring, as in a job where you have a boss and all these things, but it's just ways to make money to make up for the sudden loss in income. Quick disclaimer, just because you apply for these jobs doesn't mean you're gonna get these jobs. I'm just here telling you that the jobs exist. So we all know the economy is a little bit difficult right now. We've seen the grocery prices, gas prices. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, there are jobs out here, but companies are filling them more cautiously, meaning people are having to send out tens, even hundreds of resumes before they even get an interview. And what does that do? That causes people to stay at their job longer, even if they don't love their job. And people end up looking for positions a lot longer before they get one. To help you out, I put together this list. So whether you've lost your job recently or whether you have been looking at your bank account like, I need some more money in this bank account, or you just want some extra money to come in and help you out with groceries or gas or whatever, let's get into these 6 jobs. Company number 1 is Respondent. So if you have not heard about this company, then you're not alone. What this company does is it pairs you with companies that need customer feedback and opinion. So think of it like getting paid for your opinion, but you're not taking these $2 and $3 surveys. You are getting paid more than that. The average pay is $25 to $100, but that's a really big range. And the reason why is because it depends on your time commitment and it depends on the client that is doing the surveying. So your Zoom interviews are going to be getting paid more. So you would have a Zoom interview with the client, talk to them about the product or talk to them about whatever, answer their questions, and you'll be getting paid for that. If it's not a Zoom, those other ones are written responses and they're online. So if you already worked in a certain industry and have experience, then you could be getting paid more depending on the specialty. This one is definitely not something that you could do every day because you would have to find a survey that matches with your criteria and then take it. But this is just something that's like a one-off thing that I can keep checking back. Number 5 is Settlements. It's a paid app where you can look up class action lawsuits of products that you may have bought, used, or food that you may have consumed or whatever. And you can look up if you've used them. And then if there's a class action lawsuit, then you can apply to say, oh, I use this product too in this time frame. And then you can get your money from whatever the class action lawsuit is. So you're pretty much just going in, attaching yourself to the claim and getting paid when all the people that are involved in the class action lawsuit are paid. So this is not going to replace your income, but this is one of the ones where it's very low effort, low to no effort. I think it costs $2.99 for the app per month. And then you can go in periodically and check if there are class action lawsuits for products that you may have bought in the past. My next one, number 4, is Upshift. Think of it like you get to pick when and where you want to work. It is a shift work platform that pairs you, the person, with the shift work that needs to be done. So Upshift has jobs like event catering, working in a warehouse, working in hospitality, doing customer service work. And these most of the time are physical jobs, like in-person jobs, not remote jobs. If you want flexibility and you need to work now, then definitely check out the website Upshift. This is probably not going to replace the income that you just lost if you just lost your 9 to 5, but it's something to get money in the door right away. So Upshift, I know for a fact this one is a really good one because my friend was trying to save for a vacation and she didn't want a whole nother separate part-time job because she already has a full-time job. Her and her husband would switch off every Saturday looking at the website and just grabbing whatever job they had for that day over the weekend. So like sometimes she got an events job where she would help out setting up chairs at a wedding, a catering job where she would waitress in a hotel banquet. There's so many different things that you could do on this website and just work for the day, get your money, and then you're done for that week or however long you want to do it. But this really helped them quickly save for their vacation without looking for a part-time job, sending their resume to the part-time job, applying and doing orientation and doing all these things when they know they just wanted extra money for this vacation. So number 3 is software as a service. So I know that you guys are aware of Google star reviews. Like if you get a 5-star review, it's great. If you get a 1-star review, it's horrible. I know for me personally, firsthand, whenever I'm looking to going to a business or going to a nail salon or anywhere, I go to Google and I look up their Google reviews, and I read most of their 5-star reviews. And then I also read their 1 and 2-star reviews to figure out why that person gave them a 1 and 2-star reviews. And then I base those decisions on whether or not I'm going to go to that business or what I'm going to do. Because Google reviews are so valuable to small businesses, a lot of people started to take note of that and say, I'm going to help these small business owners in my area or wherever around the country to get 5-star reviews. So what you would do is get a service like a software. There's so many different softwares to do it that I can't even name all of them. But you could get a software to help these small business owners to get their Google reviews up. Now, most of the time, I had one friend who did this for a couple of months. She focused on like hair salons. She went to 2 different hair salons and she helped them get their little 5-star reviews up. So if you want to focus on a niche, you can focus on like dog grooming shops, small dog grooming shops. Call all 10 of them and say, I'm going to help you get more 5-star reviews. This is what I'm going to help you do, and this is how much I can charge you. The reason I say this is really lucrative is because it's an investment that you're providing to this small business owner. They know if they invest in getting their 5-star reviews up on Google, they can potentially get more customers. This is like a little bit of a long tail thing. This is not make money the very next day you do it, but this is something you can kind of grow into and kind of learn. And there's a whole lot of YouTube videos about specifically how to do this and why it's important for small business owners to do this. So definitely check this one out if it sounds like something that's right up your alley. So number 2 is Payday Social. What this is a platform to help content creators match with products that they can then create UGC content for. So UGC is user generated content. If you're a creator out there, then you probably already know this platform or how it works and what to do. And if you're a content creator, let me know down in the comments. I like to see who works where or who does what for income that is watching my videos. For a lot of stay-at-home moms, go to Payday Creator, and whatever product you think you want to shoot a video on and talk about how great it is, that's what this platform connects you to. It says, okay, well, do you have this kind of lipstick? Then you shoot a video about that kind of lipstick and how great it is and how to use it. If you are somebody who likes to talk about the products that you like and somebody who likes to film short form video, then definitely go check this one out. This one is the most flexible that I have on this list. Also, number 1 is really flexible as well. Number 1 is SideShift. This is also another user generated content platform. And so it's similar to Payday Creator. What you're going to be doing is being matched with products, and you're going to be creating the video or the short form video or the content to promote the product that you have already purchased or that you purchased. Like I said, these 2 are very, very flexible. You can probably use the products that you already have purchased in your home. If you find them on the website and you say, okay, well, I already have that, let me just go ahead and shoot a video now. This is kind of how the Amazon Influence Reviewer program works. I did a video about that. I'll link that in the cards or down in the description because that's what I do sometimes. I did like my first one on a vacuum. Let me know if you guys have already seen that video and if you are trying to do the Amazon Influencer Review program. But UGC on these 2 platforms is kind of the same as this. Okay, so I really hope that these 6 helped you out. If you're in a bind, go and try these. Let me know down in the comments if you want to try these or which one you think sounds the easiest or whatever, what you would try. I really like to get feedback from you guys so that I can know that I'm adding value. One of the things that I have realized over the last couple of years is that side hustles are really relative. Like, you need to figure out which one works for you. Just because one works for somebody, don't just copy that one and say, okay, I'm going to do that too. It might not work for your lifestyle. It might not be something you're really, really interested in. There's so many different side hustles and types of remote jobs and so many different ways to earn money, especially here on the internet. If one thing is not what you like to do, then go out and research and switch to the next thing and really just keep going until you find the perfect fit for yourself. Some people like to create videos, sell things online, services through their website online. There's so many different ways to earn money. And I know that's why you guys are subscribed to this channel. So I'm just trying to give you more ideas, more motivation, more things to kind of pull out and say, you could also do this, or you could also do this. I will see you guys in the next one. I'm not sure if this is the end of this series or if we're going to keep going with episodes like this. You guys let me know. Do you want me to continue the series Money Mondays and just have side hustles and remote jobs and things like that on Mondays? Let me know down in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.